What's up, my ponios? Andy with Andy Vlogs. Excited to share with you guys another video, as always. Nonetheless, we've got this Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller that covers up to 8 zones. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't know how to work this machine. There's no instructions, and I don't want to mess up the schedule that's already set, because it's a good schedule, but I need to be able to manage it from my phone and also tell Google to do stuff. And so I'm going to take a crack at this. I honestly don't know what's required. Let's get into it. I picked this up at the big box store. It's normally about $200, $225, and I got half off through a rebate, which will be nice. So it's only going to cost me about $100. But we're going to unbox it for you, see what's inside the box, see what to expect. Rachio 3, ooh, it's a little bit bigger than my current unit. It's got a nice faceplate. This is for an indoor machine. If your sprinkler system is outside, you're going to need a cover for it. This is not waterproof. Make sure you get yourself a cover, and those are pretty cheap. You can get on the internet. The power cord, which conveniently my cord is right there. Screws and drywall anchors. So I unscrewed this. I'm going to take off this faceplate, and then I'm going to take a picture of this wiring. Alright, there's AC, MV is empty, but there's 2 white connecting to that one. There's a black cord on 1, red cord on 2, blue cord on 3, yellow cord on 4. Another red cord on 5, teal cord on 6. So those are my valves. I just got to separate the two red. I don't think there's anything else. I don't know what these are. Oh, that's the power. Okay, so I don't need to worry about these 2 over here, because this is the power. This goes to my plug. I'm going to unplug it so I don't get electrocuted. I don't want to touch wires. I guess I don't really need to unplug that. Okay, so here are our cords. I'm going to have to refer back to my picture in order to see which order they were in for the valves. Okay, so these just kind of pop right off, just like that. Alright, there's the old in with the new. Okay. Oh, interesting. So you have to have enough slack right here. Ensure that the holes are level and use a pencil mark the center of each hole and mounting plate. Make sure your wires have enough slack to reach the drill icon above. Okay, drilling the holes. Now we're going to get the set the anchor. You're going to hammer it in. Set the other anchor. You're going to hammer it in. I take the faceplate off. I'm going to drill the top in first, as that's going to hit the stud. The top. It's as level as you can get it. No one can get it any more level than that. Alrighty, let's go ahead now and we'll attach the cords. So we're going to have both C's go. I'm going to put this one as the first one. You just put it right into the hole. As you push down the blue thing, it'll open up, jam it in, and then let go, and it should lock it into place. Then it's black. I have to straighten these out because they were curved around those things. The other white we're going to put over on the C on this side. Okay. I didn't have all the way up to 8. I didn't have S1 or S2. I don't know what any of that is. After that, we're going to slightly unravel this. We're going to put the power cord in here, have it come down through, and then I'm actually thinking of just turning it on, plugging it in. And there you have it. Oh, it's just a magnet. That's all it is. It doesn't snap on. So if it gets bumped, then it's gonna come off. I don't know if I like that. We're going to do it right here on my phone because I can connect to the internet from here. Okay, so we need to get the app. The app is Rachio app. Okay, so all right, you guys can probably see my screen now. The Rachio app, you install it, and I'm gonna need to create an account, so I'm gonna go through that process. Okay, alrighty, our account has been created. We're all done. Add a controller. Allow while using the app. Next. I have to put in my address. Alrighty, I've added my home. Now I'm going to scan the barcode. Scan barcode. Alright. We have discovered issues with Wi-Fi connections to your controller. Now I'm going to connect it to my Wi-Fi. Alright, we're connecting it to our Wi-Fi now. And then it'll probably update. Okay, it's updated. We got it. Excellent. Fantastic. Okay, it looks like I've got 8 zones prepped. Here's my calendar. I can set a schedule. I can do a water delay. Tells you the weather as well. Okay, so here's the splash page. It looks like it's idle. I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna click the quick run, and we're gonna show you what turns on. All right, so we're gonna be walking around my yard, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the lawn and what that looks like. The first section should be down here. We're gonna quickly run all the zones to make sure that they all work. We'll do 1 minute each. Oh, do you hear that? I hear that. That's zone 1. That's awesome. Okay, well, zone 1 worked. I want to see what it's doing right now. Okay, here we go. Here's zone 2. It's a custom run. It should be done. Let's go to the next zone. It's going to turn off the zone. And now it should be going to zone 3. Alright, that's going to be the front lawn. I think we'll cut this one short. We'll go to zone 4. Zone 4 should be the backyard. Nope, zone 4 is the flower bed. And it looks like that's functioning properly. Okay, zone 5 now is the backyard. Okay, here's zone 5 going to the backyard. We're gonna hit zone 6. I believe that's it. That's everything. But I think it's working properly. I've got lawn that's wet everywhere. I'll do a video of me doing it. Okay, Google. Turn on the sprinklers. Oh, and there it goes. It's turning on the sprinklers. Now we're gonna blow your mind again. Okay, Google. Turn off the sprinklers. Oh, it's amazing. It's alive. It's alive. I can now use my voice to turn off the sprinklers. Oh, life is so nice. All right, guys. All right, I think we're going to stop right there, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Andy with Andy Vlogs signing out.